These are exam questions for AI 900 Microsoft Azure AI Fundamentals. Our team is working hard to keep the content up to date. If you find this video helpful, please let us know in the comment. We really appreciate if you like and subscribe to our channel. To get the complete list of questions and answers, click on the playlist link provided in the description. Our next question is, when you design an AI system to assess whether loan should be approved, the factors used to make the decision should be explainable. This is an example of which software guiding principle for responsible AI. Option A, transparency. Option B, inclusiveness. Option C, fairness. Option D, privacy and security. The correct answer is option A, that is transparency. Our next question. You are building an AI based app. You need to ensure that app uses the principles for responsible AI. Which two principles should you follow? Option A, implement an agile software development methodology. Option B, implement a process of AI model validation as part of the software review process. Option C, establish a risk governance committee that include members of the legal team, members of the risk management team, and privacy officer. Option D, prevent the disclosure of use of AI based algorithms for automated decision making. The correct answer is option B and C. Our next question is, which metric can you use to evaluate the classification model? Option A, true positive rate. Option B, mean absolute error. Option C, coefficient of determination. Option D, root mean squared error. The correct answer is option A. Our next question, which of the two which two components can you drag onto a canvas in Azure Machine Learning Designer? Option A, dataset. Option B, compute. Option C, pipeline. Option D, module. The correct option are option A and D, that is dataset and module. And next question, you need to create a training dataset and validation dataset from an existing dataset. Which module in Azure Machine Learning Designer should you use? Option A, select column in dataset. Option B, add rows. Option C, split data. Option D, join data. The correct answer is option C. Next question, which type of machine learning should you use to predict the number of gift cards that will be sold next month? Option A, classification. Option B, regression. Option C, clustering. The correct answer is option B. And next question is, you have a data set that contains information about taxi journeys that occurred during a given period. You need to train a model to predict the fare of the taxi journey. What should you use as a feature? Option A, number of taxi journeys in the data set. Option B, the trip distance of individual taxi journeys. Option C, the fare of individual taxi journeys. Option D, the trip ID of individual taxi journeys. The correct answer is option B. Moving to our next question. You need to predict the sea level in meters for the next 10 years. Which type of machine learning should you use? Option A, classification. Option B, regression. Option C, clustering. The correct answer is option B. Next question. Which service should you use to extract text, key, value pairs, and table data automatically from the scanned documents? Option A, from recognizer. Option B, text analytics. Option C, ink recognizer. Option D, custom vision. The correct answer is option A, that is form recognizer. The next one. You use Azure Machine Learning Designer to publish an interface pipeline. Which two parameters should you use to consume the pipeline? Option A, the model name. Option B, the training endpoint. Option C, authentication key. Option D, the rest endpoint. The correct answer is option C and D. The next one. A medical research project uses a large anonymized data set of brain scan images that are categorized into predefined brain hemorrhage types. You need to use machine learning to support early detection of the different brain hemorrhage types in the images before the images are reviewed by a person. This is an example of machine learning. Which type? Option A, clustering. Option B, regression. Option C, classification. The correct answer is option C, that is classification.